Check mic. Alright. Taas ng gain. Hey, sound check. Ayan. Alright. Magandang gabi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Let me just make sure na lalabas yung chat room. Let me set it up really quick. Just a few seconds. Launch this one. And gusto ko kasi makita nyo yung chat nyo rin. Diba? More interactive. That way yung live natin. This is just a podcast. Karamihan kasi nag-uusap lang tayo. Diba? And it tends to become quite boring. Especially para sa iba karamihan. Pero pinag-uusapan topic tends to become boring, diba? But anyways, welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about making money. Generally, we talk about stock market, investing, trading. Not just the stock market, forex, NFTs, crypto. Kung saan pwede tayong kumita. And today, this evening, may magandang news po. If you can read on the topic natin ngayon, Embersword Landsale is already, yung results po ng Embersword na Landsale is already out. For those who don't know what Embersword is, we talked about this during our NFT week. I told you ano po yung NFT na papasukin ko. Embersword is gonna be it. Nagkaroon po kasi sila ng land sale. It means ng mga plot ng land sa loob ng game binibenta nila for ownership. I was able to get some. I was able to get 3. And yun, instant 20 instant 13. Well, yeah, 13 1,300, right? Yeah, 1,300%, 1,300 135%. I forgot to do the math, but yeah. Ganito po, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, later na lang, update muna sa PSEI. Let's go to PSEI. Somehow it's sharing the wrong screen. Let me transfer this to the main screen. There we go. Yan. So, main screen tayo. PSEI, a green day. Magandang green day for us. 1.28%. So that's a very big green move for us. Then again, PSEI is still in resistance level, so it's not really that strong. Net foreign buying is around 53.9 lang, 53.9 million. It's not that much. But man, AP, we called this before. I told you, isa to sa magandang i-trade natin. Aboitiz Power, up 4.29% again today. At yung iba nga, sino nga ba yan? Yung mga nag-take profits na dyan. Sila Emily ba yun? Yung may AP magte-take profits na. I'm not really sure. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, antayin nyo munang magpula bago kayo magbenta because it's another 4.29% gain for today. So hopefully hindi pa kayo nakapagbenta. Congratulations on getting AP. We were able to catch this one out dito pa lang. If ever this was our buy signal kasi, di ba? There was a big spike on volume right here and there it is. I told you pag nag-breakout you get in. Price range that is already 41%, right? 41%. Umabot pa ng 42.73% from our buy call for AP. I have Aboitiz Power Corporation yung mga pumasok. Congratulations. But yeah, market. Francesco Vinetti. What do you use for trading? Good question right there. Depends. Is it about Philippine Stock Exchange? For Philippine Stock Exchange, I have a lot of broker, but my main trading account is with 2Trade Asia. For international market, I have eToro and I have Go Markets. Focus more on eToro for trading stocks because nagpapakopy trade ako doon. And then, for Forex, XM and Go Markets. So, depende po. Depende on what market. So, just to answer it generally, yun po lahat agad. Alright, Ruena Villa, good evening. G-Boy Tads, good evening. Alright, Earl John Madrid Ginto, good evening sir. Alfredo Quisto, good evening sir. Lloyd Jose Lumba, Francisco Vinetti, yan, nabasa natin to. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Is our live in YouTube? Alright, YouTube is already good. Netmil, Sortsis, Nanetlim, good evening din po. Alright, good evening sa inyo lahat. Alright, it's a little bit about NFT. Today yung pag-uusapan natin because good news is out. Let me just open Embersword.com. Embersword.com. So 3 minutes pa before ako makapasok ng website because the website is flooded right now. Alright, the website is flooded kasi today lang po lumabas yung result ng application namin for land. I applied for a bigger plot. I'll explain to you later. But let's talk a bit about a bit about NFTs. NFTs right now is kind of hot, right? I am a big follower of what do you call this? Gaming, right? There is a way for you to own things in the game through tokens already, and that's NFT, right? So that's NFT, right? Let's say for example, isang item pwede yan i-represent as an NFT, or isang building, or isang land plot, isang map, pwede po yan i-represent as an NFT, and you can own that in the game. How much it is depends on the depends on the what do you call this? The public, I would say, or yung playing or yung involved na mga players talaga. Right? Here it is. Embersword, let me show you guys. Embersword is gonna be the NFT game that I will be playing. Right? It's a MMORPG. Ang nangyari sa dalawa pong klaseng NFT ang pwede nyong makuha dito sa Embersword na ito na laro. Embersword, una makukuha ninyong NFTs while playing the game is yung mga skins ng items, right? Whenever you hunt for bosses, raid bosses, there's a chance for these bosses to drop like very good looking items which you can sell, right? It will be represented into an NFT token, and then you can sell it to the public for its token, and then yung token na yan pwede nyo i-cash out. So that's one way to earn in this NFT, and another one is through transactions through your lands, right? Yung mga mapa dito sa laro na ito binebenta. There are land plots here that is being sold to the public, right? So if ever may-ari ka ng lupa na yan, you technically own that, and then if ever there are transactions happening in your land, kasi yung sinasabi natin na yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina ng mga items sa land, kung sa land mo binenta ng mga tao, you're gonna be getting percentage of it, right? And that is in the form of token, and pwede mo i-benta sa public. So this is my account. I am able to get a land, view allotted land. Alright, so ang binigay sa akin is regular plot. This is $40. That's around 2,000 pesos, diba? So sadly, we even applied for a city. This is 80,000. We were able to find look for partners who will cash out the $80,000. That's 4 million pesos. Kaso nga lang, pahirapan po kumuha nito because the demand is big. Ilan lang ang available na city plots kasi. So we weren't able to get one. My partner was able to get the town, which is $8,000. So that's around 400K. Tapos meron ako mga accounts na marami ako na-apply na accounts. I was able to get on my small accounts this $40 na mga land. Right? This is called the regular plot. Right? So limited lang po ang mga lots na ito. That is what makes it sell like hotcakes. It's crazy to think na in a game you can now buy something, and then pwede mo, if ever the game goes well, the prices should go up. Actually, sa sobrang in demand na mga plots na ito, even the regular plot, even the application, hindi po lahat mabibigyan. Let me share this to you guys. Meron akong Embersword na group kasi. Embersword. Right. Let me open Embersword na group. So this is the group in the Philippines already. I just want to show you na hindi po lahat nakakakuha ng mga land plots, right? Settlement, ito respectively, ito si Jaime Guerrero was able to get a settlement, $400. Ito kung nakakuha ng town, Caesar Salad, Recruiting Boys, right? Nakakuha sila ng town. That's $8,000 na nakuha nila. Yeah, ito. So, ito siya, si Pop Chris. Wala siyang notification. He was not able to get a land. Nakita niyo na picture. You can hear guts nga pala sa mga napili. Kasi hindi po lahat makakuha. Right? So, meron nga dito nagbabenta eh. Bundle, 10 regular plots. He's selling it at 1.85. 1.85 ETH yan ha. So, 1.85 ETH to PHP. That's 335,000 pesos. Right? 335 pesos. 335,000 pesos yung bentahan. Right? Yung nakuha kong plot is, what do you call this? Asan yung Embersword website? $40 lang kung mapipili man kayo, which is hindi lahat mapipili. So $40. So I will be buying this. I will be buying this for only 2,000 pesos. But if you sell this to the public already as it is right now, hindi pa lumalabas ang game. This is OpenSea. This is where you are gonna be able to sell the land plots that you own. Makita niyo po ang isang land plot ngayon, regular plot yan. That's the land plot that I'm gonna be buying. The price right now is 0.15. Right? 0.15. And then may nag-offer ng 0.12. 0.15 pong bentahan. So 0.15, what do you call this? 0.15 ETH to Philippine peso is 27,000 pesos. So I bought it for 2,000 pesos and I can sell it already for 27,000 pesos. That's how crazy the game is. So instant, how much? Times 10, times 13. Nag-times 13.5 kaagad yung investment ko right now. I can sell it already if I want to. I don't want to sell it already. I don't want to sell it yet because maglalaro pa ako, etc. But yeah, that's how crazy the game is. It's already up. We talked about Embersword already, but things are going crazy right now sa NFT world. Hindi ko rin maintindihan, but the opportunity is there. I am a gamer. I focus in gaming, so why not get into it? We've discussed about NFTs. I've discussed to you about why I'm gonna be playing Embersword. I was able to get the lands and instant gains kaagad. So that's crazy right there. So yeah. That's Embersword. If you want to know more about Embersword, check out their website, embersword.com. And then, meron po akong Discord group dyan kasi gagawa kami ng guild. That's the reason why I got partners for Embersword kasi we were planning to buy the big plots. We were able to get the 400,000 one. That is before the city. But it's still very good. So, if you want to join us in this NFT game, yeah, andyan sa description, may Discord group tayo dyan. Just join there, right? Going back, let's go back to the comments. Magkano starting if ever mag-start ako mag-play? Angelo M. Cruz. So, to play the game, it's for free, right? You will be able to play the game for free, right? It's unlike Axie na kailangan mong bumili ng mga Axies for form of 3-man team so that you will be able to play Axie. Embersword is gonna be for free. Ano lang ngayon, for Embersword, since mag-early access siya, yung mga may land plots and we're given the chance to buy the token, will get access. So right here, I'm gonna be able to buy the land plot and then meron pa silang it's inline, but this is the badges. Ito yung parang what do you call this? Privilege din. Privilege to buy the tokens first. Pili lang rin po ang yung makakabili ng land. Not everyone, kahit yung makakabili ng land is also given the chance to buy the coins first. So, technically, ako yung isa sa mga unang makakabili ng coins. The coin that is gonna be used for this game is not out yet. Right? There will be land sale. Sinasabi nila there is gonna be another land sale at the end of the year because the game is gonna be released early 2022 and there it is. Depende na sa inyo. Gold badge, we can buy the gold badge, $2,500. Merong platinum badge, early access, you can get early access, and then community badge, and then Ember tokens, $25,000 worth of tokens, Ember tokens. Now this token is gonna be crazy. I think it is gonna fly also because of how the game is gonna be built. Sobrang ganda ng game, how it's gonna be built. Check out Embersword, please. Tignan nyo muna bago kayo pumasok, okay? Tignan nyo muna embersword.com. Tignan nyo muna sa YouTube yung mga ano ng Embersword. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for partners to be able to na makakasabay ko bumili ng tokens early on, right? So send me a message lang if ever you want to be part of the selected few who's gonna be able to buy the tokens first. But anyways, it is up for grabs. So gagawa pa ako ng sistema ng mga ganda dyan, but just send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. should you wanna join. But anyways, that's how crazy NFT games are right now, and you've seen it in Axie, how crazy Axie became. Even if medyo tagilid yung system niya, dito maganda. Alright, I have a video about this game NFT na Embersword. Let me just get the link really quick. Para kung gusto niyo if you wanna see that video about Embersword that I discussed, pwede niyo pong puntahan later on your videos. Let me just search for it really quick. Embersword. Right, Embersword Landsale is out. NFT game I'll be playing it. This is the one. So, let me post this in the comments. Panoorin nyo po muna to bago kayo pumasok sa investment na yan. Right? Anyways, let's go back to stock market trading. I just wanted to share to you guys na the opportunity is there if you are interested in NFTs. This is I gave you the idea about Embersword noon pa. Even when the land sale was open, a few of you joined me, and there were people who were sending me a message na nakakuha din sila ng land plot. It's an instant 13 times 13%. Times 13 kaagad yung gains. Right, so that's crazy numbers right there. Marilu Rubio, good evening. Good evening, Ishi Marimat. Sir, tuloy po ba investment dyan sa land ni Ember? From Marilu Rubio. Malaki kasi yung lupa eh. It costs 400,000. I'm gonna be I was talking to my group, me and Shinbu is talking to major esports na mga teams for investment there. If ever that will fail, then I'm gonna be talking to my followers, yung public na gusto makipaghatian na lang doon, right? If ever mag-invest yung malaking companies doon, kasi mas maganda pag ganun eh, kasi isa lang or dalawa lang kaysa marami. What I'm gonna be considering is yung badges. I think I'm gonna be able, I think I can buy the platinum badge. Let's buy this one. Hati-hati tayo. Alright, so we can already distribute the tokens to everyone. So ito yung mga first access sa crypto kaagad na ito. Right? If ever you wanna be the first one to buy the crypto, right? So please give it a thought lang muna. Please huwag kayong magmadali, huwag kayong ma-hype or anything. Please watch Embersword. We have 14 days naman. It's always wrong to rush things, right? You have 14 days to read about this if you wanna invest in it. So, meron pa akong 14 days and 6 hours. Siguro most probably on the 10th day ko to bibilhin. Kasi baka magka-aberya, tapos mawala pa yung opportunity. So, on the 10th day, bibilhin ko na kaagad ito. Para if ever magka-aberya man, I still have 4 days to fix everything. So, give it a thought. Benji Navia, Sir Lloyd, question po, tataas po ba ang value ng token ni Embersword kapag dumadami ang gamers sa Embersword? Yes, definitely. Once people see the potential, parang si Axie, once people saw the real potential of the game, then the more players that are gonna be in, mas organic kasi eh. The more players that are gonna be in, mas maraming tao ang bibili ng mga skins. You just don't know how crazy skins are right now in a game. It's crazy to think that sa Counter-Strike, you know Counter-Strike, right? Counter-Strike Global, CSGO, even a dagger, how the dagger looks like, umaabot ang 100,000 ang presyo ng isang skin ng dagger. Sobrang mahal. The more players kasi maglalaro ng game nito because they're enjoying, they're playing for the right reason. You're gonna be spending on skins. Me, I'm a shoutcaster for Wild Rift. It's crazy how Wild Rift is able to do big tournaments just because players who enjoy the game, so who supports the game, will spend money to buy the skins. That's how they support the games kasi. And they enjoy it themselves. They look better while they're playing, and it's shallow, but it gives you enjoyment, and that's the real reason. That's the fundamentals I've been talking about when it comes to the game. You have to be enjoying the game for you to be spending it, for it to be healthy, right? Dapat enjoyable. So the more players, yes, it will be better kasi mas mataas yung demand, right? Mas marami yung demand, mas malaki yung makikitain niyo yung mga skins kasi limited lang yung skins eh. Let's say for example, 10 lang ng ganito ang skin available. So because of the scarcity of that type of skin, the prices are gonna go up. So when you play the game, it's gonna get more expensive. So it's gonna be crazy. Nancy Catilo, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po sa MBT and Meg. Salamat po na madami. Alright, so that's Embersword. Expect more posts about it for me because parang ito yung epitome ng buhay ko. I'm a gamer, and I'm a trader. Here's the opportunity na pwede siya i-trade. Everything, meron charting, meron siyang crypto, and I'm a game at the same time. So parang stars of a line. So most probably I'm gonna be converting to this, and then auto trade na lang ako. Andun pa rin yung diversification ko naman sa stocks, sa crypto. So I'm just telling you my journey. Speaking of journey, ayan, tingnan natin. There is a question right here. Nancy Catilo is asking about MBT. Kamusta natin si Metro Bank? So Metro Bank is going green. Pwede nyo gawin dito kay Metro Bank is, I already discussed about this. You just buy now. Pwede nyo bodegahin hanggang sa support na ito. The major support is at 42.98. Diyan nagsimula yung bounce niya talaga. We don't really know for sure. It's at 44. Right? We don't really know for sure if ever bubaba pa yan. So you just buy some right now. And if it goes further down, this is a very good support for it. This is where you technically kompletuhin nyo yung initial buy value nyo. Let's say for example, you're planning to initial buy for this stock, mga 30,000. What you can do is buy 10k now. If it goes further down, another 10k. Tapos pag na-hit yung major support, another 10k right there. So na-hit na yung initial buy budget mo na 30,000. And then once it goes uptrend, you buy some more. Because like AP, no, nag-uptrend na, ang daming buy more opportunity doon. That's basically how you win really in trading, right? MBT, ganun na strategy for this. Nancy Catilo. Lalagi ko nakakastilyo to eh. Meg naman, kamusta natin si Meg? Mega World is at the bottom right now. So, still good right here si Meg. Bodega na, I've been recommending Meg dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko, hindi naman natin masasabi kung babalik talaga sa support yan kaya bodegahin nyo na. And it's already going up. Let me just load my chart layout really quick. Right, so Mega World, intact pa naman yung trend niya. I would say this is already a buy. MA20, if ever makapasok man tayo sa MA20, that's the best entry point. But overall, bodegahin nyo pa to. Mura pa masyado si Meg. The highest it has reached 4.34 the past few months. So it might go up there once the market gains traction. So actually si Meg napakamura pa lang ngayon. Magandang bodegahin yan. For me. Alan Wasalan. Alright, Sir Lloyd, pacheck po si GMA7. Let's check out GMA7. GMA7, nasa tuktok pa to. So, it's not really my kind of trade. Baka mag-breakout, yes, but it's way up there. Ang ganda ng dip dito, dapat on the dips tayo pumapasok. So, let it dip lang muna. Ngayon, breakout yung possible na entry niya. So, antayin nyo lang muna mag-breakout. For GMA7, JFC, our Jollibee Foods Corporation, right here. JFC. Looks like it might break out. Pag nag-break out to, that's gonna be your entry points over JFC. Okay? Angelo Cruz, thank you sa info, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po ng RCR. You're welcome. Si Aba naman. Si Aba, mukhang may nahirapan na si Aba. Abangan lang muna natin sa baba si Aba. Or if it breaks out na lang, right? Baka mag-breakout, gumagawa rin ng support kasi dito eh. It's just that, napakalapit niya sa support, major support. It's gonna be very hard to trade this one. Pa-breakoutin nyo lang si Aba before you wanna get in. RCR. Gigi Maris, good evening. Good evening, Gigi. RCR. Lumabas na pala nga RL commercial rate, di ba? It's on a downtrend, definitely. So, opening dito bumagsak. That's a pullback right there. Pero baka magtuloy yung downtrend. Abangan lang muna natin, wala pa tayong clear na technical analysis for this one. Naimbag na Rabi, sir. Pa-check naman po si RRHI. Good evening, Alvin Castillo. Ito na yung Castillo. Alright. RRHI. Let's check out RRHI. RRHI mukhang baka bumagsak eh. But yeah, major support right here for RRHI. If you wanna trade this one out, the major support is 48.53. Abangan nyo dyan pag nag-green. Then just cut loss below that. Maganda yung trade na ito because napaka low risk. We are very near the support. So, kung mag-cut loss man tayo, maliit lang maloloss natin. But that's a major support right there that we're looking at for our HI. That's a good entry right there. Right. Right, so next is, let's go to YouTube really quick. Xerxes, Helen PH, thanks Sir Lloyd. Yes po, di ako naka-take profit sa AP 2 days ago. Di pa ako nag-take profit sa AP 2 days ago. Ayan, so si Helen pala yun. Congratulations that hindi ka nag-take profits. I told you, antayin nyo munang pumula. Hindi nyo kailangan magmadali kasi solid green pa naman yon for AP. Right, now it even has the momentum right there, so pwede pa yan umakyat. But if it goes red and closes inside the Bollinger Band, right? Hopefully you've watched my Bollinger Band video already. Yung yung sell signal natin is usually this ones right here. Okay? So antayin nyo muna mag-red if ever. Congratulations, Helen. Right? Ang laki ng panalo nyo dito. Jaco07, good evening. Jokat, good evening. Xerxes, not-try mo po ba Mir 4 sa Steam? Actually, hindi pa. They say that pwede kang kumita sa mining sa Mir 4. Yeah, my friends are playing it already actually. Kumikita na sila dyan. Haven't really checked it yet because I was really waiting for this one. Baka kasi, ang takot ko lang kasi is baka mag-dead game eh. So I really wanna start fresh yung kakasimula pa ng laro. That's why I concentrated on, on Embersword. But yeah, Mir 4 has good reviews. Sir, ano sir ang crypto coin na ginagamit ng Embersword? Wala pa siya, yung Ember crypto ang gagamitin niya. It's not yet out. Ember tokens ang tawag. Right? It's not yet out. Pili pa lang ang, parang IPO na yung konti lang ang, pili lang ang makakabili ng nila for initial offer. Right? Xerxes, RCR, RRHI, fundamentals, kamusta? RRHI fundamentals. For the short term na lang, tingnan natin kasi for yung naman kasi, Robinsons has been solid has been solid naman yung nila, kitaan nila. Not really growth factor wise, hindi naman gaano kalaki yan. Second quarter compared to last year is not that much, and also first quarter hindi naman gaano kalaki yan, but at the very least they're sustaining their earnings from last year. So yeah, this might be a factor. RHI's fundamentals not really glaring na buy me. So it might cause for the stock to drop. Thank you for asking that question. Natignan natin. Right. RCI naman, si RCI Rojas Company Incorporated. There it is. Si RCI pangit. Right, second quarter is good. Right. Annual -7. That's to be understood last year. First quarter 91%. So it's improving. After the pandemic's still there, but the brunt of the start of the pandemic, it's still doing well already for second quarter and first quarter for this year technically. That's a buy right there. Just short-term trade, buy, then cut loss lang if ever pangit yung galaw niya. Hi sir, good evening. Any thoughts po kay Green at dito since they are affiliated to each other? I'm not really familiar with the connection of Green with Dito, right? Is it for electricity, for energy, or the holdings itself? Kasi ang alam kong holdings na nag-hold kay Dito is Dito CME. It's the holdings itself. So I'm not really sure if they're related to each other. But yeah, we talked about Green. Maganda yung pinapakita niya mga technicals. The major support is right here. So hopefully, kasi yung technicals niya mukhang magsa-sideways na. No clear buy signals for now. We even have resistances right here. We did call Green to buy na dito at this level because of the RSI, and then yung pinapakita niya yung RSI divergence. So we were able to call that for Green. Kaso nga lang hindi gaano kataasan yung galaw niya. For now, unclear signals. Dito naman medyo may kamahalan na. I'm not recommending dito anymore. Dito pa lang sanabi ko sa inyo, wag na. You should have taken profits already, and it's already dropping. Ponzi daw po ang NFT. Ponzi daw po ang NFT, guys, from Rob Legaspi. Ponzi daw po NFT games. Eh, there are, I would say there are NFTs na just for the sake of maraming tao papasok, minamadali nila yung laro, kaya pangit ang reception ng iba sa NFTs. So far, sa mga kaibigan ko naglalaro na Axie, they're earning, right? Let's say for example, ganito That's a very good line kasi. Ponzi ba ang NFTs? Number one is no. It boils down to demand. Do you love the NFT or not, di ba? So it really depends. If you're into Axie NFT, that NFT right there is good for you because you're playing Axie and you're enjoying it. But if you're in it for the money purpose, medyo mahirap. But there are always ways to get in the NFTs without having to shell out money. Sinasabi nila na Ponzi daw NFT because you have to shell out money. I would say no, right? Sa Axie, pwede ka mag-scholar, right? Kung scholar ka, you can start the game, hanap ka lang ng manager, yung magpa-fund ng Axie mo, and then start the game, and then hatian lang kayo sa kitaan. Wala kang ginastos. So, what's the Ponzi there, di ba? For Axie. Sa Embersword na NFT na papasukin ko, you can play the game for free. You don't have to shell out money. While you're playing, if you find something, you can sell it in the market and then you earn and enjoy at the same time. So, what's the Ponzi there? Meron lang ibang mga games na ginagawa nilang parang Ponzi, right? So, it's sad for other games. So that's why you need to do your research. We cannot just open our mouths and say it's Ponzi or not without looking at it. We talked about NFTs before. What you need to know about NFTs, right? Why you should get into NFTs. Ano yun dapat tinitignan ninyo before you wanna enter an NFT game. For me, si Axie, I don't like the system. That's why hindi ako pumasok. So, it boils down to research, right? It boils down to research. Yung prediction ko sa presyo ni SLP, it is gonna drop from Axie because of its system, and we were able to predict it. Umabot pa nga ng 3 pesos halos, less than 4 pesos yung presyo ni Axie. Na SLP, di ba? Because of the research. Just do your research first before you judge something. Ganun lang, right? We cannot call something just because some people are saying, oh, blah, 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 ganito, ganyan. I cannot call NFTs Ponzi. Merong mga games dyan na for the sake of earning, gumagawa sila ng game para lang may pumasok. Ang pangit naman ng game, pero ang dami parang taong pumapasok because pwede nga kumita. Kaya yung iba medyo Ponzi. So, you just have to look for the right ones. Okay? Okay. Let's move forward. That's for Rob Legaspi. Man, try to do your research po muna before you can say na Ponzi. Because you're right, there are games talaga na NFT games na parang Ponzi na ang dating. Yun naman, stay away from those. Just do your research about the game. Okay. Ian Cesar, Video Sir, good evening. Meg, tsaka Seb. We covered Meg already. Bodegahin niyo po yan. Si Seb naman, maganda pa rin yung position ni Seb. Hindi. We talked about Seb. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Bollinger Bands. If it touches the lower Bollinger Bands, you know where it is going, and we're able to predict this. Hopefully, you've watched my Bollinger Band video already. So, if you follow that, we were able to predict this one. So, mukhang downtrend pa sa Seb. Stay away from it for now. Vincent Pascual. Sir, ano po ang playlist nyo? Ang ganda eh. Alright, song playlist. This is for streamers, alright? I'll give it to you for free, alright? Sa mga gusto mag-stream dyan and gusto nyo ng playlist, look for Stream Beats. Alright? Libre lang ito and free siya for whenever you stream, hindi ka maka-flag ng copyright. Copyright. Thank you, Jaya. Copyright. Alright, so Stream Beats, merong mga rock. Okay, rock naman yung playlist nito. Maybe you're playing a game na medyo heavy metal. So, you can go for this. And this is for free. Streamlabs, lo-fi beats naman. Ito yung parang relax. Right? Meron ding EDM. Sorry. So, asan na yun? Merong EDM. And then, yung ginagamit ko is the hi-fi one. So, medyo, ano tawag dito? Medyo upbeat. Alright, for the live natin. So, stream beats. Alright. Libre ko na sa inyo yan. Para yung, if ever mag-streamer man kayo, you can use this also. Tip para sa inyo. Right, Jayco07, ni good for short po kaya. Let's check out ni. Nextera Energy. Good for shorting? I don't think so. Hindi. Let's go for close up. Yeah. So, susunod na pula, if ever it's a lower high, that is gonna be your confirmation na pwede siya short. Good find. Galing, Jayco7. Ian Villaruel. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Meg, tapos na to. Vincent Pascual, good evening. By the way, good evening to Ray Bernales. Sir, maayong gabi. Nabenta ako ng konti share ko sa ASEN, then binili ko ng SEB. Tama po ba ang galaw ko? I'm not really sure why you bought SEB right now. Maganda yung ginawa mo, took profits from ASEN, but you never buy a stock that is on a downtrend. It is on a downtrend right now, pre. So the buy here is questionable. Wala tayong buy signal di ba? Yes, there was a support right here, pero bago kayo bumili, you should get a confirmation, di ba? And we talked about the Bollinger Bands, mukhang babagsak ito, and we were able to predict it, bumagsak nga kasi SEB. So, ito, medyo questionable yung galaw nyo dito, bro. So, I cannot say if okay yung pagbenta mo ng ASEN. What's not okay is this buy right here. So, hopefully, konti pa lang binili mo, Ray Bernales, since dapat test buy pa lang to di ba? Alan Pacardal, gandang gabi. Sir, can you send the link on where to play Embersword? You cannot play Embersword yet. The early access will start early 2022. Early access lang yun sa mga may land tsaka makakuha ng badge. These badges right here. So, may mga early access lang. So, ang sinabi nila, March ang ma-open. This one will be open to the public talaga. So, yung may early access lang muna makakalaro in the early game. But don't worry. I'll let you know. I'll give you more information about this. Just follow my page, yung gaming page ko. Do you know my gaming page already? If not yet, it's Leoric PGG, Pro Game Guides. It's this one right here. Pala, little request lang from my end. Please like this page na rin lang. I'll post it on the comments. Dito ako magpo-post more about what do you call this? Embersword. So that's my page right there. Nag-post na ako about Embersword kanina. Yeah, so please follow this page then if you're interested in Embersword, because I'm gonna be creating contents about Embersword right there. Okay, going back to YouTube, nasa YouTube muna ako. CLI sir, pa-check, entered at 2.83. Bakit po kaya bumaba? Kasi medyo mataas na sa CLI. The reason why I wasn't calling for CLI, kasi eto reason bakit bumaba, it just broke MA20, right? Whenever if you have ever watched my MA20 video or Bollinger Bands, whenever it breaks MA20, it is as reversal signal. So the momentum is on a reverse right now from an uptrend. So most probably magda-downtrend yan. Swerte lang natin kung mag-sideways trend. But bumaba siya because nagkaroon ng reversal and it should go on a downtrend for now. And that's the reason why it dropped. Okay, that's for CLI. BJC10, good evening, sir. Lloyd, any thoughts on Axie? Any thoughts on Axie? It's still good, right? As much as possible, there is a way to get into Axie na hindi nyo kailangan mag-shell out ng pera. Look for a manager and then mag-take share profits lang muna kayo. Hindi yung profits nyo, yung profits nyo, ipunin nyo lang muna. And then, just buy your own Axie in the future. So, wala kayong linabas na pera. Pwedeng ganun for Axie. I'm not really a fan of Axie's SLP generation. SLP meaning ito yung tokens na nakukuha nyo everyday from adventure, doing adventure, meaning killing wild Axies, and then PvP. sobrang daming SLP tokens na generate every day that it's flooding the market. That's why we were able to predict the drop from SLP 19 pesos to 3 pesos, right? Sabi ko sa inyo, babagsak yun. So, grabe nga, bumagsak, di ba? Possible, mag-stabilize to dito. There's a possibility, but then again, this is technical analysis for the current number of SLPs. The problem really in SLP is that every day, millions of SLP is generated, so there will be more supply on top of the current supply, and I think that is gonna make SLP prices drop. Unless Axie will create a way to burn the current SLP na available. But for now, hindi pa. Monde, masyado mataas si Monde. Kahit na umaakit yan, wag na kayong mainggit, please. Alright, stay away from it already. It's already way up there. Ang daming humabol kanina at naipit lang. So, stay away from it already for Monde. Huwag kayong maiinggit sa mga andyan sa taas, please. Kahit paano po makapasok sa early game, follow your game page, sir, sa FB page. Thank you so much, Kite. Once the game is out, magbibigay naman sila kaagad ng installation, right? Pwede nga siyang browser. Ginawa nila na pwede browser lang ang game. So you can go to certain website and you can play the game already. Don't worry. I'm gonna be announcing more information about it once those are available. Nagva-Valorant po kayo? Yes po. Kaso nga lang, yeah. On my screen right now, makita nyo to, may Destiny, may Ragnarok X, Neverland. Ang daming games sa PC na to. So, yeah, I do play Valorant also. AB po. This is from Mart Paglikawan. AB. Atok Big Wedge. Nag-resistance kaagad pre. Si Atok Big Wedge. So, abangan nyo. Baka mag MA20. MA20 is gonna be your safest bet. And then just cut loss below MA20 for AB. Okay? I'm gonna go back now to Facebook. Tingnan natin if may mga comments na rin ba dito. Ito. Eto. Si Pingwaping. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Dito, Anani, we covered dito already. It's still on a reversal, so I cannot say it's a buy already. Si Ani naman, man, as long as the earnings do not recover, I'm against this. Kahit na mag-support ito, if ever pangit ang earnings, still gonna drop. So, I'm gonna be staying away from Ani for now. Jose Calooy Jr., good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip naman po si MPI. Sorry, MPI kayo tuloy. MPI. Let's check out MPI. Reversal pa tayo. Meron agad naman tayong engulfing pattern. We'll see anong gagawin niya. Wala pa naman tayong signal for MPI. Tech naman, si Tech, we were able to catch Tech. You look at that beautiful ME20 bounce. So, hopefully nahuli nyo to. We already gave the signal to buy Tech dito pa lang noon. Right now, ME20 is the best entry point. Actually, okay na siya. I would say yes. Buy it already for Tech. That's a pullback and bounce that you're looking for. Yes. Tech is good. Alvin Castillo, Sir, fruit sell na po ba since nag-close and price below Bollinger Band trigger? Let's check out fruit. Fruit. Right. So yeah, that's a sell point. But kakaumpisa pa lang ng trend na ito, man. If you know Elliott waves, you give it to 5 waves. 1, 2, 3. Nagpo-pull back pa yan 4. And then there should be one more wave for Elliott wave dito sa kay fruit. But if ever pinasok nyo dito sa baba, we talked about divergence already. That was a buy signal natin kay fruit. Yeah, you can sell some of it already if ever malaki na yung kita nyo dito. Right? That's for fruit. Good job, Alvin Castillo. Congratulations. Ramin Sepasi. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, Ramin. Sir, may scalping strategy ka po ba pang crypto? Use one of the best scalping strategy na ginagamit namin sa crypto is tawag nito? Darvas Box. Right, Darvas Box. Check out Darvas Box. Darvas Box Trading. Check out this video. Darvas Box is very good for scalping. Right? Pero sabayan yung trend, ha. If if you know how to day trade already, hopefully you do already. Yeah, if ever you know the overall trend, then that is where you use the reverse box, right? Jessica Nang is asking about M-Wide. Sorry about that. Medyo na duling ako sa dami ng comments. M-Wide. Right. Pullbacks. Bodega. Overall, M-Wide is still very good, very cheap. Ang ganda ng earnings second quarter, 113%. First quarter, medyo negative siya kaya hindi nag-arangkada talaga. But second quarter, okay naman yung second quarter niya. So, yeah, doing well. First quarter niya compared to last year's first quarter, medyo negative, but that was before the that was before the pandemic, di ba? Right now during the pandemic second quarter, okay pa naman niya kita niya compared to last year. So yeah, I would say that's a good number right there. Chelsea po please. This is from Mira Tony Sarmiento. Alright, let's check out Chelsea Logistics. Thank you Sir Load tuloy. Thank you Sir Load. When price is below 200 EMA, short when price is above 200 EMA long time. Tama po ba? Yes po. If ever you're into scalping na short term talaga within the day, check out the 4-hour chart. Right, mukhang pabagsak pa si Chelsea. Trigger the lower Bollinger Band. We know where this is going. It should drop in the next coming days. So stay away from Chelsea lang muna. Alright, going back to YouTube since nasagot natin lahat sa Facebook. ABCBHI, ito this from Mark Point. Yan, so AB, tapos na tayo si Nak, Nunker, Sir GMA7, let it break out lang muna kasi nasa tuktok tayo. BHI, medyo tagilid tayo kay BHI, triggering the lower Bollinger Bands, if I remember it correctly, yeah, triggering the lower Bollinger Bands. So I will not be recommending that one. LHC, basta natin si LHC. LHC, MA20 bounce, but this stock is way up there. Considering that the market is toppish, this might go back down, okay? So you don't want to trade this. I could be wrong, pwede yun umakyat. So if you still want to trade this one, MA20, kakabounce lang, that's a buy right there for LHC. Cut loss below MA20. But I'm not a fan of this. Not because I still respect the trend right there, but yung trading system ko kasi doesn't like these kinds of positions. So, not a fan of it. Joski M, naglalaro din po ba kayo ng Dota po? Pa-check po ng M1. Nung pinakaunang Dota pa. Sila Ricky Maru, etc. Even Dota 2 right now, I'm not playing anymore. But I'm still a big fan of TI, the International. I still watch the competitive scene of Dota. Right? Ang idol ko sila OG. Right now, ilang days na lang? 20 days na lang ba before mag-TI? So, I'm gonna be watching it also. I'm not a player of it anymore, but I'm still a big fan of the competitive scene. Pero ang competitive scene na fino-focus ko talaga ngayon is Wild Rift, the League of Legends Wild Rift. I'm a shoutcaster there already. So, yun yung linalaro ko for now. Anyways, APL and Ali po. Perocho, APL and Ali. Si APL, okay na to di ba? Nagsusupport na to Yeah, APL, right? Supports. Ito second quarter earnings talaga ni APL nagdadala ng nagdadala ng takot sa akin. So, with this earnings, there's a very high chance that this is gonna be dropping. But RSI is telling us na okay pa rin naman. So, if you wanna trade this one, trade the support, buy. Pag nag-green yan bukas, buy. And then, cut loss below that support lang for APL. Okay? Si Ali naman, hitting resistances already si Ali. So, hindi pala si Ali yun. Si Ace pala yun. Ali, bodygahin nyo. Support. If it goes further down, just buy more. Ganun po kay Ali right now. That's a good company right there. TechW po, pa-check. Let's check out TechW. TechW, yun, may technical analysis na resistance right here. If it breaks out, that's gonna be your entry point for TechW. Okay? Balik tayo sa Facebook kung meron pa ba. Uy, may nagpadala pala ng stars. Emily Goltiano. Right, sell ko na ang Monde, sir. Sell na ako sa Monde. 19.4. At nagbigay pa ng balato si Emily Goltiano. Right? So, yeah, Monde is already at sell levels, right? You saw that earlier. 19.40. Eto, chupete. Grabe si Emily.
Ito certified chupitero. Right, I've told you kung mag-red na to, benta nyo na. And congratulations, Emily. Right? Emily is a student of mine. Just na type ko tuloy si Emily. Emily has joined my trading seminar noon pa. And she's still learning and joining our lives even until now. So, congratulations, Emily. Good trade right here. And if you wanna get access to my seminar, andyan po sa baba, patreon.com/elbazar. There is a paid way there how to get into my seminar. Right? Sobrang ganda po na seminar yan. Poured my heart out into that. So, sobrang sulit po yan. Emily, patulong naman. Sabihin mo sulit yan. Diba? So, yeah, si Emily. Thank you so much, Emily, sa stars. Right? 200 stars. Yan. Pangkape natin. Rowena Villa is asking about Emperador and DMC. Si Emperador, medyo lumipad na to eh. Naalala ko pa noon, sinabi ko sa Emperador, pasukin nyo dito. Kaya may linya dyan. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo sa Emperador dyan. Right now, bearish ang signals na pinapakita. Pataas yung presyo, but the RSIs are dropping already. So, I'm not a fan of Emperador anymore. Kahit na mag-breakout pa yan dyan, I will stay away from it. Right? Sobrang taas na yan. DMC, breakout din sa DMC. Still, bearish signals for DMC, way up there. Right? Tulad nung ginawa ko dito, sabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo habulin yan dyan. And then bumaba, always go for the dips po. Right? Especially if you're still a newbie, mas maganda ang dips. Go for the dips lang muna kaysa doon sa mga nagliliparan. Oo, sulit po yan, sabi ni Emily. Thank you so much, Emily. And biro lang. But yeah, if you wanna get access to my seminar, lahat po doon tinuturo ko. From the how I pick the companies that I trade, how I trade, basically execution, how I buy, paano ako bumibili, when do I buy, how much do I buy, etc. And how do I sell, yung mga lahat ng process, step by step. Go to patreon.com/elbazar if you want to get access to it. I'm really happy that part of our topic is taking profits right here. Kasi kahit pahirapan ng market, we are already earning. Ang dami natin calls na maganda. Right? So, congratulations. Anyways, ayan pa nga pala. Speaking of good news, ito. Izanagi! Alright, sobrang ganda ng performance ng bot natin for this week. We are at 170% already. Right? As of today. This account started January 18. This is MyFX book. This is a verified account, meaning totoo po ang nasa loob ng account na ito yung nakikita nyo. We keep it public para pakita sa inyo si performance ni Izanagi. Izanagi has been doing well even on my personal account. Alright, so let me just log in. So, dalawang account dito. Gumawa ako ng public account with the amount para makita nyo rin po na how much we are gonna be doing or earning, right? This account is already 8.91%. This account, this is for Valkyrie, by the way. Valkyrie po yan. This is the premium bot. May bayad po itong bot na ito. Pero sobrang sulit. 8.91% already. Right? July 19, July, August, September. Mag to 2 months pa lang ang account na ito. And almost 9% na ang gains natin. The bank cannot beat that. MP2 cannot beat this. Ano pa ba investments dyan na pwede mag-beat dito? Right? So, this one is premium lang. May bayad lang ito. Ang walang bayad is Izanagi. Izanagi is sa amin kasi itong bot na ito. Okay? So, we can give it out for free. You know me naman. Halos lahat binibigay ko na sa inyo na libre. Izanagi. Close the accounts. Account growth already is at 4.07%. With the close, right? 4.05%, 4.07 if ever ma-update man yan. This account is just less than 1 month. Almost 5%. Make that 4% in just 1 month. Izanagi, and it's for free. Crazy returns right here, and we're giving it to you for free, right? Si Izanagi po is libre lang yan. Walang babayaran except the VPS. We just use this just 300 pesos a month. VPS this is the computer that will be used so that your account will trade 24/7. Yun yung ganda ng bot. Hindi natin mahuli lahat ng as a person, hindi natin mahuli lahat ng buy signals, but the bot nakaabang yan 24/7. Kung may buy signal, bibilhin niya. Kung may sell signal, siya na magsasell. And the performance has been doing well. It's for free. XM has a very big promotion. That's why I'm very hard on promoting Izanagi right now. Kasi si XM may promotion, which is the hottest promotion among all brokers. Double your investment. Maglalagay kayo $100, dadagdagan yan ng $100 ni XM. If you put in $500, dadagdagan yan ng additional $500 ni XM. That's 25,000 worth of buying power for you guys. Whatever that 25,000 earns, you get to keep. Alright, so hopefully you take advantage of it. More, if you want to learn more about Valkyrie and Lamok. If you want to learn more about Izanagi and Valkyrie, andyan po sa video description. Watch the videos about this. It's bot trading. It's a program na siya na po ang magkocontrol ng account ninyo. Siya na po ang magbabuy, siya na po magsisell. So right now, everything I'm earning is now passive. Right? Mas malaki pa ang kitaan ng bot na ito kaysa ako mismo na nagte-trade. So sobrang ganda. Check it out. Izanagi's for free. Valkyrie is more premium pero mas safe po yung trade doon. Ang taas. Nakita nyo naman kanina. Nakita nyo naman yung statistics nito ni Valkyrie. Yung trading niya, makita nyo po dito, statistics. Sa mga trades niya, there are 98 trades in total. Profitability is right here. So 73% won. Right? 27% lang ang lost. Right? Sa long position, 75%. Shorts niya, 170%. 70% win rate is crazy. That's why this bot is so good. Kaso nga lang may premium, but the money is, you can rest easy. I tested this out for you. Tsaka nandiyan sa video description. Nasa video na papanoorin nyo yung backtesting nito. Backtesting meaning using previous data from 13 years ago to the present. Makita nyo po yung result. Right? There's a comment right here. Sir, ilan ang risk mo sa Valkyrie? Ano yung risk natin sa Valkyrie? Yeah. 25, 50? 25, no? Yeah, I think 25. Yeah, 25% po yung nakaset ko na risk sa Valkyrie. If I had just set it higher, mas mataas pa sana, but this one is in 25%. Right? Let's go, Team Izanagi. 2 na accounts ko, sir. Sobrang sulit from Earl John Ginto. Ang ganda ng close na Izanagi ngayon, ha? Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi. Hopefully mag-start na kayo. Right? Okay, that's it for me this evening. It's already 9 o'clock. Ang bilis ng oras, ha? Right? Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi na. Ang ganda ng mga close na mga positions. This is it for me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Right, that's all the time we have for today. I know I might have missed some of the comments, especially sa YouTube, but that's it for me. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Embersword, if you want to join me in Embersword, and just a video description, ang link ng Discord page natin. Discord group natin. Bye, everyone. Stay safe.